Hello students, in today's class we will start our new chapter, chapter 7, Indian Constitution. And firstly we will discuss about preamble of the Indian Constitution. The Constitution of India begins with a preamble which specifies the nature of the Indian state and the objectives it is committed to secure. And K.M. Munshi describes the preamble as the political horoscope of the Constitution, which lists the basic features of the Constitution and its basic philosophy and the nature of Indian state. In the words of Pandit Thakur Das Bhargava, the preamble is the most precious part of the Constitution. It is the soul of the Constitution. It is the key to the Constitution, and it is the key to open the mind of the makers of the Constitution. And it is a jewel set in the Constitution. It is a super prose poem. It is perfection in itself. It is a proper yardstick with which one can measure the worth of the Constitution. The preamble is the key to the letter and spirit of the Constitution. The preamble begins with the words "We the people of India" and ends by recording that it is a self-made, adopted and enacted Constitution of India. Now let us read the preamble. We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, anti-secure to all its citizens, justice, social, economic, political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. The words socialist, secular and integrity were initially not there in the preamble and were added to it by the 42nd Amendment 1976 to the Constitution. Now we will discuss about importance of the preamble of the Indian Constitution. That preamble is an introductory statement to the Constitution which contains the ideas on which the Constitution is based and the basic underlying principles of the Constitution. Now, importance of the preamble can be stated as follows. That first one is the preamble contains the philosophy on which the entire Constitution has been built. It proves a standard to examine and evaluates any law and act of government to find out whether it is good or bad. Hence, it is the soul of the Constitution. And secondly, the preamble shows the way the government ought to run. It declares India to be a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic. And thirdly, it envisages justice, social, economic and political for all its citizens. It seeks to give the citizens all types of freedoms, freedom of thought and expression, freedom to believe and worship, etc. And fourthly, the preamble mentions people as the source of the Constitution, and it seeks to provide equality of status and opportunity to all individuals and thus promote a sense of brotherhood among all citizens. And next class we will discuss about 4 objectives of the state as described in the preamble of the Constitution.